So the functionality for actually pausing and unpausing the game or simulating that, just bringing up the menu and deleting it, can be done in a couple places, but I did it in the level blueprint, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the level blueprint for this level. Okay. So we'll right click and we'll do pause game. So it says input action pause game, so that's when we hit the button. What do we want it to do? So we're going to want it to spawn. Okay, so first thing we're going to want it to do when it, pauses the game is to spawn the menu actor. So we're just going to do spawn actor from class. And it'll be of type, right here, of type BP, what did I call it? BP button exit. And then I'm going to right click on this spawn transform, split the struct pin. For right now, I'm going to leave the location all zeroed out. So later on I can always move it around in the level and see where I want it. So when we spawn it, after we do that, I'm going to want to keep a reference to this object so that later on when we go to delete things, it won't be, doing get all actors of class. It's an expensive operation, very slow and inefficient, and we don't want to do that. So it's a lot better to just go ahead, and I'm going to have an array called active pause actors. Because remember, it's not just going to be the exit button, I'm going to do the restart one too. So this will apply to that one too. So instead of choosing of type blueprint the button exit, I'm going to just go ahead and make it actor. So actor, go ahead and make it an array. And then we're going to want to add we want to add this object to this array so we can hold a reference to it. There we go. And then, so when we pause the game, we want it to do that. When we unpause it, or we hit the pause button again, we're going to want it to go and delete that one. So what we're going to actually do is redrag off of this, and we're going to put in a flip-flop. There we go. So when it's hit once, it'll go and spawn it. When it does it again, it'll go and delete it. So we're going to want to get all the actors from this one here, and let's say for each actor in the array that we add to it, we're going to destroy actor. And make sure that you connect that there, the element to the target. Otherwise it will delete the level blueprint. I don't even know how that, no. It's just for testing purposes. I think that should be good. Let me see, so when you hit pause, it'll spawn that at the origin. Okay, everything to me looks like it should be good for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. And now that I'm thinking about it, there. So I deleted the instance that I had in the game because we just want it to spawn dynamically. Okay, so I went ahead, I deleted that one object that I had in the scene. We're going to spawn dynamically at the origin. So let's go ahead and, where is the origin? Well, let's go ahead and hit play. So now when I hit the menu button, it should spawn. Oh, there it is. Right down there. See? Pause, unpause. So lighting needs to be rebuilt. It says at the top left there. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that real quickly. Ooh, and I'm going to have to fix this too. So it says it's pending kill, and then it's trying to get the object to access it.